Hello friends, today we are going to learn Standard 10 Subject Maths 1 Chapter number 3, that is Arithmetic Progression. In that, today we are going to study about nth term of an AP. Nth term is last term. We know first term is denoted by T1, second term is denoted by T2, third term is denoted by T3. Similarly, last term, that is nth term, is denoted by Tn. We have to find out Tn. Now we will see some examples in practice set 3.2. There are some activities are given. Question number 1. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. First example is 1, 8, 15, 22 and so on. Here A is equal to dash or box, T1 is box, some boxes are given and fill in the boxes, means complete the given activity by using arithmetic progression. Here A is equal to A means that is first term, A is equal to 1, T1 that is first term, T1 means first term, it is also 1, T2 means second term, it is 8, T3 is third term, means it is 15. Now T2 minus T1, T2 is 8 and T1 is 1, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. T3 minus T2 is T3 15 minus T2 8, 15 minus 8 is also 7, means common difference between any two consecutive terms is 7, therefore it is constant, therefore D is 7. Got it? Similarly, we can solve another examples in question number 1. Now question number 2 is decide whether following is an AP, if so then find the 28th term of the progression. Question number 2 is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. AP is given, the sequence is given. Decide whether the following sequence, given sequence is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then find the 20th term of the AP. We know first term, it is T1 is minus 12, T2 minus 5, T3 2, T4 9, T5 16, T6 23 and T7 is 30. Now we have to find out whether the given sequence is an AP or not. For that, we know what is an AP. If the common difference is constant in any two consecutive terms, then we can say that the given sequence is an AP. Now we have to find out difference between two consecutive terms, means T2 minus T1. It is minus 5 minus minus 12. Minus 5 minus minus become plus 12, it is minus 5 plus 12 is 7. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is 2 minus minus 5. 2 minus minus become plus 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. Now T4 minus T3 is 9 minus 2, it is 7. Similarly, T5 minus T4 is 16 minus 9 is also 7. T6 minus T5, it is 23 minus 16, it is also 7. And T7 minus T6, it is 30 minus 23, it is also 7. Means each time we get difference in any two consecutive terms is 7, means it is constant, therefore common difference is constant, therefore common difference is constant, therefore D is equal to 7. Now find the 20th term of an AP. If common difference is constant, therefore we can say that the given sequence is an AP. If given sequence is an AP, then find its 20th term. For that we have to use n term of an AP. N term is Tn. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for finding nth term of an AP. Then put the values. A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 12. In this case, Tn, we have to find out Tn, means value of n is now n is equal to 20. We know A is equal to first term, that is minus 12. N, it is already given. D is equal to 7. Now put the values. Therefore Tn, n that is T20, we have to find out 20th term of an AP. T20 is equal to A, means minus 12 plus n, means 20 minus 1 into D, 7. Find T20. Minus 12 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 7. Minus 12 plus 19 sevens are 133. And minus 12 plus 133 is 121. Therefore 20th term of an AP is 121. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now, similarly, we can solve same examples in question number 3, 4, 5. Like this only. Now we will see question number 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Question number 6. We know 3-digit natural numbers. 3-digit natural numbers starts from 100 and divisible by 5. Means it is difference of 5, 105, 110 up to how much? It is 3-digit natural numbers are up to 995. These are the 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. We know first term, that is A, means T1 is equal to 100, T2 is 105, T3 110, and this is last term, we can say it as Tn, 995. 995 is the last term. Now find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. We know nth term of an AP, Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to find out here value of n. We know Tn. Tn is 995. Value of A is 100 plus find the value of n minus 1 into D. D means difference between these two terms, any two consecutive terms. It is divisible by 5. Therefore D is equal to 5, or we can write it as D is equal to 5. Therefore get 995 100 goes to LHS side, it will become minus 100 equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now 995 minus 100 is 895 equal to n minus 1 into 5. Therefore, we can write it as n minus 1 is equal to 895 into 5 goes to this side, means it will become upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35. So 5 9s are 45. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 79. Therefore, n is equal to 179. Now, minus 1 goes to RHS side, it will become plus 1. Therefore, value of n is 180. Means, we can say that there are 180 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Therefore, 180 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. This is the solution. Got it? Okay. Thank you very much.